Hello everyone and welcome into my craft space. It's Shauna and I have a fun video for everybody today. This is my Beebee Craft unboxing video, and at the end of this video and in the description box below I'll be sharing with you a discount code that is good until August 6th of 2023. So that will be for you to use. I'm super excited to have my own discount code and to share with you these awesome things that I received from Beebee Craft. So without further ado, let's get into it. I did open it already, but I haven't looked at everything. So I'll be seeing it for the first time with you guys, and I'm super excited for the things to come. So let's just take everything out of here first, and then we'll see what we've got. All right. So the first one is these, I think they're metal book ends. I say I think. I did order these items, but they sent them to me as a sponsor, and so I get to craft with these items and make some videos and share with you guys an awesome discount code. So let's see what we've actually got in here. Oh, and everything comes in these nice little containers. I love that. Yeah, look at these. These are a great size. Oh, I love them. Wow, these are really great. A couple different designs in here. Beautiful sizes. So in some upcoming videos, I'll be using some of these things, and you can see how I use them and how they look on my stuff. I love that there's so many different sizes and designs, and this cool little box to keep them in. How great is that? All right, moving on here, I'm gonna take this wrapping off. Maybe I'll just cut it. I'm loving these plastic containers. These are just so awesome. All right, so here we have this amazing assortment of colors of jump rings, and I've got some plans for these in my upcoming journal videos where I'm using the Rach and Bella Crafts digital kits, and they teamed up with Line Dot Arrow to make the summer bloom kit, and it's been so beautiful. These colors will really come in handy for that. Oh wow, look at these, they're just so bright. And 15 different colors to choose from. I love it. I love it. I love this one especially. Almost matches my nails. Look at that. Okay, and again, a nice little storage box. That's always a plus. Okay, and look at these. These are beautiful. These are some wooden buttons, and they're all in the shape of butterflies. Sorry for the crinkling. Ooh, look at that one. That is brilliant. I love it. Nice vivid colors, and they're wooden, so that's kind of fun, but they do have holes in them just like buttons, so you can sew them on your spines of journals, stitch them onto your pages and tags, or you can just glue them too. I don't know how many different designs there are. Does it actually say? It might have in the description. I don't know. There's quite a wide variety of them though. Yeah, these are some ones that are printed. Let's just dump them out here real quick. Oh look. Oh, I love this one. Look at this one. This one's fun too. Oh, I just love butterflies, you guys. They're so beautiful. Look at these. I haven't seen anything like this in any of the craft stores local to me. Maybe that you have where you're at, but not local to me. So this is fun. I'm excited to use these. Ooh, I love the flowers on this one. This one's got some orange and yellow. Wide variety of patterns and colors, just like butterflies would have. So this is cool. Ooh, look at the stripes. Fun, fun, fun. There's more. I think those are bubbles. I'm not totally sure. This one's kind of pretty. Oops. Looks like some pinky purples, yellow. Ooh, this one's a different one. Ooh, look at this one. It's kind of like a tie-dyed rainbow. Very fun. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, there's a different one. Almost looks like a patterned paper on there, but it's not. I don't know if they're painted or what they are, but ooh, that one's like tiger stripes. That's cute. It would be fun to really see some butterflies like this. Maybe somewhere in the world. More stripes. I think maybe, no, there's, look at this one. And the packaging there. It's different. There are so many. I thought I saw like a cow print. It's funny. Look at that one. It's almost like a zebra. Yeah, these are so cool. I love this. I'm so glad I got these. And they feel like a nice quality too. They're not terribly thin or flimsy, like I can't like snap it in half, but it feels fairly lightweight, so it won't, you know, I mean, it will add some bulk to journals, but if you put them on the spine or something, they're not going to be super heavy, which is great. Ooh, that's a different one. All right, well, these will be fun to use in so many projects. Look at all these that I got. So you'll be seeing a lot of these. This one's like a dark green. I love it. And then I've got one last thing to share with you guys. And it is this beautiful trim. I love purple. Purple amethyst is my birthstone, so purple is just one of those colors I've loved forever. I have a lot of favorite colors, but purple always resonates well with me. Wow, look at this trim. Beautiful floral trim. I love it. This will definitely be used in some of my journals, especially the one I'm doing right now for the summer bloom. It's got lots of flowers, and this will just add to the lusciousness of that kit and beauty of the book. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing. We'll be seeing these items in upcoming videos for sure. I plan to use everything they sent to me. So thank you, Beebee Crafts, for sending this to me and for sending me an awesome discount code. So listen, if you want to get any of these products, you can go to beebeecraft.com, and that's beebeecraft.com. And between now and August 6th of 2023, if you use my discount code FRAPPS5, F-R-A-P-P-S, the number 5, you can save $5 on orders over $40. So I will put all of that information in the description box below to help you save some money as you shop for your craft supplies. So definitely let me know if you are heading to their website, what items you like on there. They have so many wonderful things to choose from. This was just a few of the things I chose to begin with and get started with, and I'm super excited to use them. So again, I'll put that code for you guys to save some funds in the description box below, and hit that like and comment and share. If you know anybody else who might want this discount, share it with them for sure. And let me know what fun things you find and like on their website. So thanks guys for watching, and enjoy that discount. I'll see you next time in the next video.